Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change Shopify store password. First, go to your Shopify store and make sure to log in with your account. Now click on your profile from the top right corner. Go to Manage Account. Go to General from your left panel. Here you can see the option of password. Click on Change Your Password to go next. First, you need to enter the current password. After that, add new password and confirm your new password. Next, click on Change Password to save the changes. This is the first way to change your password when you remember your old password. If you don't remember your current password, you need to follow the second method, so go to your profile and log out. Click on Login. Now click on your profile and select Switch Account. First, enter your email address. Click on Continue with Email to go next. Here you need to click on Forgot Password. You receive instructions on your email address by following which you can change your password. As you can see, a link has been sent to your email address. You just need to follow it and you'll be able to reset your password. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.